Hi, my name's Marcus Wheelhouse. Welcome to Sort My Swing with WG Golf. This week, we've got a young fella from Wellington named Sam Wood, so let's go and check him out. Here's young Sam. Look, a great couple of things I noticed straight away. First is he's got the cricket bats lined down for his tee markers and he must have a massive backyard. Love his setup. He's got his nice little ball position right off his front foot, and then as he starts into his golf swing, he's counting himself down there wonderfully, but he's holding his balance just great, which is something that I think's critical for a young fella. Okay, Sam, your dad's asked me for a few pointers and some sort of direction for where you can go with your golf. I just want to explain to everybody out there, as well as your father, is that there's a few important things that I think that junior golfers need to head down. First is have the correct equipment, okay? Something that's going to be very much in the way that the shaft is soft and whippy. And what you've got here is you've got quite a difference. What I see all the time is that people cut down the longer clubs, and the next thing you know, they've got a very stiff shaft, and the golf club's not very good for the kids, okay? With Sam's swing, as we mentioned, balance is the key, okay? And I've got a couple of really simple drills that I love to do with kids. One is just putting your feet together and trying to create almost feeling like a flamingo. You can either put your feet together and have the golf ball right in the middle of your feet, or you can work your toes out a little bit. That also is a good way to sort of get yourself swinging, okay? Another thing that I think is really important is having the correct posture. So making sure that you're in a good athletic position, okay? We don't want to be all hunched and very soft, okay? We want to be nice and athletic. And the last thing that I'm going to suggest for all kids to practice is, if you can look down on the ground here, we can see this little noodle. What you can do here is place it down, and I've got it curved so you can come in from the inside and work your nice little swing plane into the golf ball. Now that's a really important fact for a kid to know, that you've got to come in from that sort of inside plane and start to hit the golf ball this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we've got the right equipment, okay? We're going to make sure we're in a nice, ready position, okay? We can work on our balance from being and altering your stance, but more importantly, what we're going to do is we're going to give the kids a bit of a visual and get them swinging it from the inside. Okay, Sam, just remember those 3 points. And remember, all you parents out there, keep golf fun. That's my biggest message. And as for all of you others, make sure you send in your swings. I'll have a look at you.
Have Marcus Wheelhouse sort your swing. Send a video of your swing from side on and down the line and tell Marcus a little about your golf game. Email your video to marcus@marcuswheelhouse.com and your swing could be analysed by one of the best golfing brains in the business on Holden Golf World.